Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash, and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Friday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So, my dear friends, this is the 1 hour chart of gold USD in front of us. Yesterday, there was no video. I was not trading because it was my birthday. And thank you so much for all the lovely wishes. I was really surprised, overwhelmed, shocked, emotional to see so many messages, emails. Thank you so much for all the love and support. It really gives a meaning to my life. Thank you so much. And in the evening, when I saw that gold was gold almost made a high of 2164, I was surprised too. But it was not shocking because we were ready for this in our earlier videos. We discussed about the possibility of gold breaking 2150 and heading higher. That's why I told you guys that if gold hits 214050 level, do not trade because of previous resistances. But we also discussed about buying opportunity above 2150 and hope you guys made money. I did not make money. I was not trading, but yes, I'm happy that you guys made. So what are the trading opportunities then? First of all, we need to keep in mind that today is an NFP day. Market will be volatile, and before a major event like NFP, CPI, we do not see much volatility in the market. So during the day, especially during the European session, Asian session, the chances of market breaking 2164 or 2165 are very less. If you see also market breaking 2165, do not go for a buy at breakout. So far, we have been discussing about buy at breakout, and buy at breakout have been working very nicely, perfectly for us. But today, buy at breakout before NFP or before US session is not advisable because of less volume in the market. There is a possibility that buy at breakout may fail. In case market surprises us with a big green candle, that's a different chapter. But if you have been trading for a couple of months, you must be knowing that before a major event, size of the candles are very small, means the volume is very less. If you see the market is going up but the size of the candles are very small, do not go for a buy. Okay, after NFP, try to follow the trend of the market instead of looking for reversals, because when the fundamentals dominate the market, technicals do not work. As a retail trader, it is our responsibility, it is very important for us to know when to go with the fundamentals and when to go with the technicals. After all, it is our hard-earned money. We need to respect it, isn't it? So if you have any ongoing position, then you can be on the trade. No need to exit because yes, further upside is still very much possible. And if market continues the upside, there is a good chance that by the end of the month or during by the end of the month, we will see gold at 2200. Couple of weeks ago when I was talking about 2200, okay, I received many negative comments. Okay, but we can see that yes, gold is bullish. Okay, and what are the trading opportunities then? My dear friends, buy at breakout is not advisable before NFP because it may fail. And if you see market coming down, then yes, we can look for buy at retracement. Technically, the best retracement level is around 2120, 2121, the purple line here. But chances of market coming down to this level are very less. So let's not waste time discussing about 2121, 2120. Then we also have another level around 2131 or 2130, 2132, the red line here. Again, this level is also far away. We can easily understand that this level is also not coming before NFP. So the options are very limited right now. Okay, that's why we will have to switch to a lower time frame like 15 minutes. Usually I do not trade on 15 minutes. Usually I do not make videos on 15 minutes. But today things are a little bit special. So okay, let's discuss. So the first retracement level where we can look for a buy position before the US session is around 2148 to 2150. If you see market coming down during the European session, observe the market around this area. If market takes support, hit the buy button as a day trader and try to exit before the news. Okay, because after the news, what will happen? Nobody can predict. Then if you see the market is suddenly volatile, in that case, your next support zone will be around 2144 to 2139. Okay, these are the two levels. Here also you can look for a buy position, but at this moment you can just keep your eyes around 2148 to 2150, and then 2144 to 2139. These are the two levels where you can look for a buy during the European session. 2131, good level. 2120 is also good level, but they are far away. So whatever level or trading opportunities we have in front of us right now are not very good, not very reliable. But as the volatility of the market is low, volume of the market is low, we can look for buy around these two areas. And if you had a profitable week, if you made good profit throughout the week, then try to avoid, because the market condition is not very favorable. After the news, if you want to follow the trend of the market, that's up to you. Okay, I have an announcement here, my dear friends. Finally, I got the blue tick on Instagram. Okay, don't think that with only 1300 followers I got the blue tick from Instagram. I had to pay. Okay, but there have been so many scams going on in my name. I was waiting for this. I applied, and finally, after paying some money to Instagram, I received a blue tick. So if you want to follow me on Instagram, then follow the verified profile. Oh my God, it's so funny. Okay, because there are lots of scams going on. People are taking a lot of money, scamming people. So please stay away. Follow the profile with the blue tick. Okay, so this is my user ID or profile ID, whatever you say. Okay, it's in the description box. Now, a little tip about trading the news. Okay, so two important things will be non-farm payroll and then the unemployment rate. The previous was 353K, but this time the expected numbers are 200K. And unemployment rate was 3.7, and it also came around 3.7. So if you see a mismatch, listen to me carefully. Okay, see, fundamentals, nobody can predict the direction of the market after news, but still to some extent, okay, you can try to learn how to react, okay, according to the market situation. So expectation is 200K, and unemployment expectation is 3.7K. So if both the news, okay, if both the news meet the expectation, if both the news are positive, so not positive, okay, they meet the expectation, then you may see a trending market. Okay, then you may see a trending market. But on the other hand, if you see that one is positive, one is negative, then there is a chance that market may just show some spikes. Okay, you may get to see a sideways market. So if you see that there's a mixed news, okay, then try to stay away, because there's a high chance that market will show some spikes, strong price rejections, and market will come down or come back to the original position. But if you see that both the news are following a particular direction, or both the fall market is giving a trend, then you can try to follow the trend. But otherwise, be careful. News trading is considered as one of the hardest form of trading. So if you are a new trader, beginner, then obviously you should not trade. You should just observe the market to gain some experience. If you have experience, that's a different thing. But otherwise, try not to gamble at the time of. For a better clarity, you can also follow the economic calendar of Fastbull. Remember, we discussed about fastbull.com's economic calendar. Okay, fastbull.com calendar. This is not a paid promotion. Okay, I'm just showing this to you because this calendar is very, very useful, because it shows whether the goal will be positive or negative. You can see here. See, after the news, USD JPY bullish, USD JPY bearish. So it gives you the basic idea in which direction the goal or US dollar may move. Okay, you can go with the fastbull.com. I will paste down the link in the description. Not a paid promotion. And my dear friends, the Hindi workshop is starting from tomorrow. Thank you so much for all the lovely response for both the Hindi and English workshop. Uh, Thank you so much. Okay, that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care and be careful at the time of news. See you tomorrow.